Tesla debuting its new crossover SUV in California last night, and Phil LeBeau joins us now with more. I guess I want to see what it looks like, Phil.
It's a small SUV, Joe, and I think this is what people have been waiting for some time to see if this is going to be the type of vehicle ultimately that is the huge hit that Tesla has been looking for. And by that, we're talking about a segment that's the most popular in the world in terms of small SUVs. It's not going to be here for a while, and last night in California at the Tesla Design Studio, Elon Musk rolled it out on stage after showing us the other models that are already in the Tesla lineup. This is the Model Y, and if you're looking at this saying, wow, that looks good, I want to buy one, well, be prepared to wait, because the versions that start coming out, the soonest you will see a version of this will be late 2020. That is the long-range version with a range of 300 miles. That starts at $47,000. The standard range, or the base price vehicle, that will not be delivered until 2021 with a price tag starting at $39,000. The range, in terms of how far you can go fully charged, between 230 and 300 miles. Here's Musk talking about what he expects in terms of demand for the Model Y.
I'm confident that it'll be of any mid-size SUV, it'll be the one you want. Yeah, I think it'll probably sell. I think we'll probably do more Model Ys than S, X, and 3 combined, most likely. Yeah.
As usual, Elon Musk has plenty of supporters, Tesla vehicle owners, as well as Tesla investors at these events when they show a new vehicle. Here's how many vehicles Tesla delivered last year, up around 250,000 of them. This year, they are expecting to deliver between 360 and 400,000. At least that was the guidance when the company reported fourth quarter earnings and gave its guidance for 2019. Speaking of 2018 and everything that not only Elon Musk but Tesla have been through, well, he addressed that last night after bringing out the Model Y.
2018 has probably felt like aging 5 years in one. Honestly, it was really intense. So, thank you for supporting Tesla through this difficult period. Thank you.
Guys, as you take a look at shares of Tesla, I can tell you that having covered a number of these new vehicle unveilings for Tesla, this may have been the most subdued we've seen Elon Musk. Now, whether that's because he is being taken to court by the SEC, who would like to see him held in contempt of court, whether he's been advised to be a little bit more subdued. This was just a little bit more subdued than we usually see Elon Musk. Again, the Model Y, first deliveries, guys, at this point, scheduled to begin late next year, and that's if everything goes as planned.
All right, Phil, thanks. Yeah, I guess you couldn't help it, maybe be a little subdued based on
everything he's got going on.
It looked like can I just ask Phil one question? It looked like a small SUV. It didn't look that much bigger than
yes. You're not going to get no second back seat. That's
well, it said that you could get up to 7 people in it, and I thought, how would you do that?
Trunk?
I haven't had a chance to look inside there, but I thought the same thing, Andrew. It's really more of a crossover utility vehicle. I think that'll be the big question when people look at it. How does it compare with the other vehicles in this segment? He's saying, well, look, we think that we can be as popular as anything that's out there right now. Let's take like the Toyota RAV4 as just one popular model that's out there. That certainly is a possibility, but it's such a competitive space. There's a lot of sales potentially there, but it's also much more competitive than the other segments that Tesla has been entering into.
Phil, did anybody get a chance to look inside, or this was just a real sneak peek?
No, they gave people late last night out here on the West Coast. They gave a few people a chance to go inside. But keep in mind, Becky, that is a concept. And we have seen this before. Look, when I covered the Model X, people went inside and they said, well, this is fantastic. It was different by the time the Model X finally came out. Not radically different, but different. And that's why at this point people look at this and they say, well, it looks good. And we think that there's a lot of potential here. Let's see if they can deliver it on schedule at the price point that they're laying out right now.